Allosexual meaning allosexual refers to people who do not identify as asexual. That is, people who regularly experience sexual attraction, regardless of their sexual orientation. Asexual, in contrast, refers to people who experience no or little sexual attraction. As a counterpart to asexual, the word allosexual helps normalize and destigmatize asexuality in society. We were especially inspired to add allosexual by Dictionary.com user Ainsley Montgomery, who explained to us, "I chose to submit the word allosexual because I believe that it should be a part of everybody's vocabulary surrounding sexuality. Just as people often make the distinction between gay and straight, people should also be able to distinguish between allosexual and asexual. The inclusion of this word will help to educate those who are less familiar with LGBTQ+ vocabulary, and I hope that when someone sees this word that they might have never heard in the dictionary, they will be inspired to do more research and open their minds to other LGBTQ+ issues."